I have a short statement to make here. My name is Magerer Langat, the Minister or the CECM in charge of Agriculture, Livestock and Fisheries and Cooperative Management in the County Government of Kericho. As you are well aware, I have been invited to appear before a select committee constituted by the Kericho County Assembly to investigate charges for impeachment against me. While I respect the constitutional oversight mandate of the County Assembly under Article 185 of the Constitution, I regret that I will not be able to appear before this committee. My decisions is based on the following grounds. One, direct conflicts of interest. The very members who constitute these committees are the same members who are movers and seconders, or even just sit in the committee that I am supposed to appear before it tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. This creates a situation where they are both accusers, investigators, and jury at the same time, contrary to the principles of fair administrative action under Article 47(1) and 2 of our Constitution, and also infringes on the right to fair hearing under Article 50, Section 1 and Section 2 of the Constitution of Kenya 2010. 2, there seem to be predetermined. The process seemed to be predetermined in the sense that the selection of the committee appears deliberately structured to guarantee a specific outcome. This denies me the right to an impartial process as envisaged under Article 27, which talks about equality and freedom from discrimination, and Article 50 of the Constitution of Kenya. In a house of 47 county assembly members, what is so special about a few members who are given an opportunity to move a motion against me, and also wittingly given an opportunity to constitute the investigating committee, which the county assembly calls a select committee, and at the same time they will be the ones to receive their own report and are supposed to vote for it according to the County Governments Act, whereby the vote will be taken by the full assembly. These members will still be part and parcel of that assembly.